Hello and welcome to today's art class. Feel free to pause this video along the way to keep up with all of the steps. Welcome! Today you're going to learn how to make tints and shades. You will need 3 different colours. You'll need black and white and a neutral colour. When you mix your neutral colour with black, it creates a shade, and when you mix it with white, it creates a tint. To start, we are going to paint the neutral colour in the middle. The neutral colour is just the colour that you start with. I am starting with the colour blue. Now it's time to make a shade. To make a shade, you need to add a tiny little piece of black paint and mix it with your neutral colour. A tiny amount of black goes a very long way. For the next box, I'm going to add a little bit more black to make the colour darker. And for the last box, I'm going to add a little bit more black again to make the darkest shade. Now it's time for us to make a tint. To make a tint, you add white to the neutral colour to make it lighter. To start with, I added equal parts white to blue. For the next box, I'm going to add a lot more white to make a lighter blue colour. And for the last box, I'm going to add a tiny bit of blue and a lot of white to make the lightest blue colour I can. When you have finished, you have made a full scale of different values. This is how you make tints and shades. Now let's look at these other colours that have also been mixed to make tints and shades. Which value scale do you like the most? Thanks for watching, see you next time.